welcome to SweetTalkSLP. I'm Krystle and I'm a pediatric speech language pathologist. And for today's video, we're doing an unboxing. But before we get started, if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, I invite you to subscribe. Also, like this video and share it with your friends. Let's get started. As I mentioned, we're doing an unboxing. I'm going to be unboxing the MagneTalk Matchup Adventure Kit, I think is what it's called, from Super Duper Publications. It went on sale. They tend to have a weekly sale for an item in their store for 50% off. And so this item is usually about $100 and I purchased it for just under $50. It came in the mail and it's big. And heavy. And so I, didn't expect it to be this big and heavy. But because it is, and I really have no idea what's inside of it, I thought we would just unbox it together and talk about it. So let's do that. We'll start with what's on top of my lap, which I think is the stand that it comes with. So yeah, and I'm a travel SLP. I didn't think this through. I also didn't think it was going to be this big. So it has a cute bag to keep everything in that says MagneTalk Matchup Adventure. And so I'm guessing everything fits inside of there. Plus it has this board. So let's open up the plastic part around the board. I'll throw that away later. Okay, so it is a dry erase Magna board, and it does recycle that later. It does have a stand to open it up so that you can place it down. And so it has the two sides that are meant for barrier games and the such. So I don't know how I feel about this plastic. I feel like it would break easily, so I would have to be careful with it, but the first box contained these two things. Okay, now the next, I'm guessing, has all of the magnets and stuff, because it says barrier not included. There's the barrier, so let's open this up. All right, here we go. So we have this plastic bag with everything inside. So it does come with a dry erase marker. It comes with a lovely little bag of silica gel. So, didn't mean for that to go on the floor. Definitely don't want to keep that on the floor. I do have a dog, so we'll throw that out. I don't particularly care for this plastic material because I work out of my car. I live in Texas. It is hot. We're having the hottest May in Texas, and our temperatures are like in the 90s right now, so it is hot. So there is a book, the MagneTalk Matchup Adventure Kit. It has reproducible activities. I'm guessing they're reproducible. They would allow you to reproduce them. Most of these do. Can I tell? I mean, if it's not, I would just put them in clear cover sheets, but I do try to respect. Permission is granted for the user to reproduce material contained herein in limited form for classroom use only. Well, I'm not in the classroom, but you know, I still work with kids. So reproduction of this material for an entire school or school system is strictly prohibited. Not a problem. No part of this material may be reproduced except as noted above, stored in a retrieval system, or transmitted in any form by any means, mechanically, electronically, recording, web, etc., without the prior written consent and approval of Super Duper Publications. No problem. This is just for me. So it does have a table of contents, parent help later. Oh, this is fun. So there's some scenes in here, which I feel like most of their activities do have picture scenes and then activities that you can do, and then it tells you coordinating magnets and all of that stuff. So that comes in it. And then we have our magnets. This is really heavy, so I need to pop out these magnets. Let's see how thick these are, because this is heavy. Okay, so there are three boards in here that have the pictures. And so from what I read, oh yeah, there are doubles of every magnet. So I can see like the two flowers, the two things. Okay, so, oh, these are pretty thick. I don't have a measuring, but I would say like, I don't know, 1/4 of an inch? No, a centimeter? Let me measure it. How can I be a good YouTuber if I don't give like accurate information? 1/16 of an inch. Man, I was way off, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, I think it's 1/16 of an inch. I feel like they're pretty thick. It's not easy to bend. Like I would have to try really hard, and I could bend it, but it's not that thin. So it appears kind of durable. And so there are all these magnets. How many magnets come? Does it tell me somewhere? I always try to film these videos and beat the AC system, but I can never beat the AC system. I don't know how many magnets are on here. Let's look. I guess there are other MagneTalk. I feel like I'm saying that wrong. I feel that there are other MagneTalk matchup games. This one is the adventure kit because one came up that was not this one. So yes, it is regularly $99.94. It has 5 stars, or practically 5-star rating, so that's a good thing. It has 10 illustrated adventure theme laminated games, and I did have, here they are. I think these are doubled, so I think there's 5 scenes, but they're doubled so that you can put one on each side of the activity center. I usually bring my blade to cut things open. I didn't. I'm ill prepared for this video. I mean, I knew that I was filming this video. I have everything ready, but I didn't look up any of the information. I am not a good YouTuber. Yeah, they're double-sided, but there are duplicates of the scenes. So there's a camping scene, a picnic scene, a space theme, an ocean theme, a grocery store theme. Aw, super duper, really? You couldn't just give us an extra one? Like, I'm a little disappointed in that. I'm a little disappointed in that. Okay, so these go on here, right? But how do they stick? Oh, do they fit in this thing? So there, this kind of has a space. Does it fit here? You're learning together, everybody. Oh. Oh, yeah. Okay. And then, sorry, the ring light. Okay. All right. I dig it. I dig it. Don't dig this plastic. I feel like, meh. Not happy that they didn't give us a 6th one, because why would it have hurt you to give us the 6th one if we're spending $100, or in my case $50? But still, like, that's expensive. I don't like spending any more than $20 on things. And then all of these magnets. Oh, how many magnets are included? There are 10 magnets for each game board for a total of 100 magnets. So 50 of each image. Like there's a frog and a duck, but there's duplicates. So there you go. All right, we have unboxed everything. Does everything fit in here? I will probably not use that plastic that came with it. Oh, it has a divider in here. That's really neat. So you can put this in here. Very nice. These would fit in here. Okay, so at least it comes in a bag. And then I'll probably put these magnets in one of those like Amazon zipper bags. Do I have one nearby to show? Probably like these mesh bags. We'll probably put them in there. Maybe divide them by scene or not. I don't know. But yeah, there you go. So I'm going to use this in therapy the next few weeks, and then I will probably also give it a nice review video. And so I'll highlight this MagneTalk Matchup Adventures magnetic barrier game and activities in the future, once I've had some time to really use it in therapy and really get my thoughts together on what I think about it. But there you go, an unboxing. That was fun. A little unorganized, but fun. Do you have any of the MagneTalk matchup activities, and what are your thoughts on it? Because I'm about to dive in and I have no idea what I think about it yet. But I would love to know if you have it and what your thoughts are on this activity. I want to thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, I hope that you'll consider subscribing, like this video, share it with your friends, ring that notification bell. You'll be notified of my weekly uploads. Thanks again for watching. We'll see you on the next one.